Mars enters Sagittarius and opposes Uranus. This 6-week period starts off with a wild and potentially explosive conflagration. We all need to blow off pressure, but this does get worrisome when we don't do it consistently, because then it comes out in possibly destructive manners. I'm thinking about our tendency to react and speak before thinking. Preferably, we use this energy to try new things, explore new territory of the mind, and generally keep ourselves from boredom and from building up too much pressure. We need new challenges and new vistas to keep our spirits fresh. So let's keep searching.